Why did you change from orchestral work to teaching?
Also a kind of coincidence. Sometimes life have a lot of aspects. One aspect has been that there have been a crisis in the orchestra because of a very bad management. The money was a kind of gone. Not good conductors come still to the Bamberg Symphony Orchestra. A few new colleagues has been a little bit stranger than the old ones. And my family, we always want to be back in the north. And then comes the big opportunity to teach in Hanover. The kids was young and it was a good time to change again the spot where we live before they come to school. So a lot of things, but actually I love orchestra playing still today. Maybe it was a little bit too early, but this was the right moment for me.